Hi, and welcome to another Sassy Divas. So Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem put us together, and it is myself and Stephanie, Leslie from Hillbilly Creativity, Kristen from Krusty Kristen, Dee from Retro D, Erlene from Erlene S, and Kim from Kim's A Little of a Lot. All right, so each of us chose a theme, and then I randomized them using the wheel picker. And the first one up is color outside the lines. So what do we mean by that? So I thought a lot of us get like these beauty crayons, like the eye pencil type beauty crayons. We get the lip crayons. We sometimes get the foundation sticks, as well as the blush and bronzer sticks. So I thought, what a great way to kind of show off how to use those and incorporate them into your daily looks with ease. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start off with this Ilia foundation stick, and this is in the shade Sycamore. So I did have a coupon for 2 free items from two of these free from Ilia from my test tube, or not test tube, but New Beauty luxury review box. So I chose this one, and then I chose a darker one as a bronzer. And I'll just go ahead and show you that, although I am going to use the dibs for a bronzer. But this is what I chose. I was going to use it as a contour, but it's actually much more of a bronzer. And above it, right there, is the Sycamore. So I'm just going to pop it on in different places. This is how quick and easy it is to use a stick foundation. Now this is a light coverage, not a heavy coverage. And I like to put setting spray right on the brush. That makes it move around, but it also helps with the setting and keeps it from kind of having a cakey look too, because you're really smoothing it around with a little bit of something on there. You can use water, but I like to use the finishing spray because it's meant to kind of make it last, right? Next, we're going to put on the contour, and I have this Morphe stick, and it's the Shape Lifter stick. There is how that looks. So another crayon-like product. And I will tell you that contour goes on so easy if you're using this kind of product. Then I just use that same brush that I'm using for the foundation to buff that in. Until I get to the nose, where I use this one. For my concealer, I have these 2 Jones Road sticks. This crayon is a peach color, and they have several shades of this peach color depending upon your skin tone. So I go with the one for fair to light skin, and I use it anywhere where there's kind of dark spots. And then this is for my under eye and in the corners here. Here's how that looks. We're going to come back in with that brush. Now we're ready for our bronzer. So I am going to use this Dibs dual-sided. I got this in, I believe, FabFitFun, and they have several different shades. This is the number 2 shade, We've got our bronzer. And what I like to do is kind of give a sun-kissed look. So I really want to go kind of over the nose where the sun would naturally hit my face. And one thing I always forget is that once I put this bronzer on my forehead, it's going to smush away what I did with the peach stick there. So I almost always have to come back in and just give that a little cover up. And then next we have the blush shade, which is a lighter color. And I'm going high in the cheeks to kind of give the illusion of a face lift, to kind of lift everything up. And we're ready to go on to the eyes. We're going to start with the brows with this Anastasia Beverly Hills. And on one side we have the spoolie. We're just going to brush these brows up with. And then the other side, which is a pencil. But it's very fine, so it actually kind of gives the illusion of hairs. I like to come back in and just give it a little brush, make sure it's all mixed in. Now we're going to come in to the eyes themselves, and I'm going to start with this NARS pencil in the shade, or crayon in the shade Rebellion. So this is going to be my darkest shade right here. Now this is all going to get buffed in, but I'm going to start with that outer line. I'm going to start with that outer line. Next, I have this Hourglass crayon or pencil in Voyeur, and I got this from FabFitFun, and a lot of people complain that it breaks. I've not had any issues with it. Then I have this Charlotte Tilbury one in the shade Pillow Talk. So this is a pink, and I went ahead and sharpened that. And then this one in Champagne Diamonds, also Charlotte Tilbury. And this is my lightest. Now I'm going to take this Bella Pierre blending brush and just going to blend it all in. And I'm going to come back in, and I just want to get a little bit darker right along there. Then last, I'm going to take this Trish McAvoy pencil that I got in one of my advent calendars. And just do a little tight lining. Just using the smudger on the end to kind of smudge that in. Now for mascara, that doesn't come in a crayon or a pencil, so regular mascara. This is the Tarte Tubing Mascara, the Tartelette XL, and this is in brown. like to use a brown when I'm going for just a more kind of natural look. So kind of see the side that I have on versus the side I don't. And then last, lip crayon. So I have this OG one, and I can't quite read the shade because I don't have my glasses on, but I feel like I got this in one of my K-Beauty advent calendars. So there is the color. And here's my final look. And this took me about 15 minutes to do, taking out the kind of explaining what I was doing. And so quick, easy, kind of a natural look, kind of a nice everyday look, and really, really, again, with these crayons, so easy to do. So let me know your thoughts down below. Each month we do have one giveaway. That's all of us put together. So each channel will draw what we call our semi-finalist, and we will give our semi-finalists to the host, who puts all those names on a wheel of names, a wheel picker, and chooses one person, one subscriber for our subscriber give back. So I am not the host for this month. You will have to check and see who is. The rules are all down below, but you do have to be publicly subscribed to every channel, and you have to leave a comment on every channel, because when you leave a comment on my channel, I can click to see that you're a public subscriber. This is a subscriber give back, so it is specific to our subscribers. So when I check to make sure that you're subscribed to everybody else, if there's not a comment on their video, I have no way of knowing. So make sure you check out everybody, leave a comment, give them a like, and publicly subscribe to them if you're not already. Let me know that you are subscribed to everyone and that you left a comment on all, however you want to phrase that. I just look for that in the sentence somewhere in that comment. And you must have a US mailing address. You must be 18 or over. You must YouTube is not associated with this subscriber give back in any way, nor any of the products that I've mentioned. This is just something from us to you, and we hope you enjoy what we send you. Please make sure that you test any products before using them. Do a little test patch, because we cannot be held liable for any allergic reaction you have to a product. Okay, well, that's all I have for now. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.